I will demonstrate how to properly install your HD Video Doorbell by SECUR360. I will guide you through all the necessary steps to make sure that your install is a success. Let's get started. Once we complete the unboxing, we're going to find some marketing material, a quick start guide, a hardware pack, the power module, and the doorbell. Something to note is that the back plate already comes pre-installed on the doorbell and is secured via this screw. Before we start our installation, we're going to remove the back plate from the unit. The first thing that we're going to need to do is turn on the doorbell. Locate the rubber cover that is on the back of the unit and remove it. Now find the on and off switch and slide it into the on position. Something to note is that this product comes with optional internal storage. You can utilize this feature by purchasing a micro SD card that looks like this and inserting it into the slot. Once you insert the card, you will hear a click. This is indicating that the card is secure in the slot. Now we need to place the rubber cover back into its location. Okay, we're good to go. Let's go to the next step. The next step in the installation process is to install the power module onto our Chime base. Before we can do this, we need to turn off the power going to the Chime base so that we can install the power module safely. First, we will connect the wires coming from the transformer and the front doorbell to the orange quick connects. Then we're going to connect the white and black wire coming from the power pack to the same quick connects. And finally, we're going to connect the white wire coming from the power module to the screw terminal labeled transformer, and the black wire coming from the power module to the screw terminal labeled front. Assuming that you've already removed your old doorbell, the next step in the installation process is to install the back plate where your old doorbell used to sit. Okay, since I've already removed my old doorbell, I'm going to go ahead and install the back plate of the new doorbell onto my door. As you can see, I already have plenty of holes. So first thing I want to do is I'm going to fish these wires that are coming from my transformer. So I have a mechanical chime, FYI. I'm going to fish them through here, and then I'm going to kind of, I don't want to create too many holes, so I'm going to reuse some of these holes. I'm going to connect the two wires to the terminals. When attaching the wires to the back plate, please note that it does not matter which wire goes to which screw. So now we're going to put the top in first and then press it in. You're going to take the little screw that you took out initially and screw it in to the bottom. Please note that this doorbell only works with the 2.4 GHz network that is being broadcasted by your wireless router. Before starting the credentialing process, connect your cell phone to the 2.4 GHz network. The 2.4 GHz network name, or SSID, usually ends with a 2, 2.4, or 2G. If your network is showing something different, please contact your router manufacturer or internet provider for further assistance. Now we're credentialing. My doorbell is flashing rapidly red, so I'm going to select a doorbell in my SECUR360 app. Okay, so right here, I read these instructions, which state once you have completed your installation, confirm that the ringer on the button is flashing red. Alternately, you can use net pairing mode, then AP mode. See help below. Okay, so I'm going to hit confirm. Okay, now I'm going to have to enter my network password, which I can't let you see, but okay. So I've entered my network password and I'm going to click confirm. Here's a big issue here. Make sure you're connected to the 2.4 GHz band of your wireless router. I was connected to the 5G band, and now it's telling me that this device is not compatible with the 5G band. So let me go change that real quickly. Okay, I'm back, and I've connected to the 2G or 2.4 GHz band of my wireless router. So I'm going to click confirm. Okay, so it's telling me to scan QR code. Let's see if this works. Okay, there we go. Just did it. My indicator started flashing blue, and I'm going to click indicator flashing blue. And oh, added it to my Alexa. Awesome. And we got a doorbell. Okay, so now our product is credentialed. So I'm going to open up the live video feed. And as you can see, here I am. So let me just do a quick walk so you guys can see how this looks. It's a little sunny outside right now, so I'm gonna press the doorbell. Ooh. Oh, okay. So I got this notification, and as soon as I hit that, I am here. Hello? Oh, there we go. I hear that. Okay, so the last thing you're gonna have to do, depending on which Chime you have, let's put that inside. You're gonna have to select the appropriate Chime. When you finish your credentialing, you will see this pop up. You need to select your Chime type. Open up the Chime settings and select either mechanical chime or digital chime. The mechanical chime creates sound using metal plates or tubes. The digital chime has a speaker that generates the sound. So I have a mechanical chime, so I'm gonna hit complete. And now, okay, so now when I press the doorbell button, my chime rings. And of course, you know, there's some settings that you can change. Let's see, status indicator, you can flip your screen, which isn't necessary. Time watermark, default talk modes, storage settings. And this is kind of where I see, I'm gonna enable local recording, event recording, good. My capacity is still, or my SD card capacity is still good. Okay. So just, I guess a general run around. This little button right here, you can turn on or off. And that's your, I guess, microphone on the doorbell. You can change the definition from standard to HD. This button takes you into full screen mode, which is kind of cool. You can take screenshots, record videos. This is your press to speak button, so you can speak to anyone that's outside. Oh, there you hear me. Here's your playback. So this is for your cloud storage. And then, oh, well, that's your cloud storage. This is your actual SD card playback, SD card storage playback. And I guess it hasn't captured any videos or events today. Okay, well, nice. And then if you click on your Chime, that's already set up. Settings, you can have your IR night vision as auto on or off. Motion detection settings. Yes, I want to receive motion notifications. I would enable this. Oh, let's continue screen recording. I would enable this because you want this to trigger based on that. So there's that. Okay. Oh, that's my mom and dad. That's a home screen. Okay, well, that's about it. Basic function settings. Okay, I already showed you that. Awesome. Well, this is it. The product is set up.